In a world where history hides in the smallest, treasure's one place dares to reveal the truth. Welcome to NC Coin's world, your gateway to rare coins, secret values, and million-dollar discoveries. Every coin has a story. Every story could change your life. Stay with us because the next coin might just be worth a fortune. Subscribe now and let the treasure hunt begin. Imagine holding a simple Thailand 5 Baht coin in your hand. At first glance, it looks ordinary. A coin you could spend at a small shop. But hidden inside this tiny piece of metal is a story worth millions. A story that collectors across the world are chasing. Because this is not just a coin. This is a ticket to unimaginable wealth. Now picture this. You place your coin on a table. The light hits its silver surface. The royal emblem shines. And suddenly, you realize you are holding a symbol of Thai history. A symbol that has traveled through time. Through markets, through hands, through generations. And now it rests with you. What will you do with it? This is where the suspense begins. Because many people who once ignored this coin later discovered its hidden value. Collectors in America, Europe, and Japan have paid unbelievable amounts for a single Thailand 5 Baht coin. Some versions were sold not for thousands, not even for hundreds of thousands, but for millions of dollars in private auctions. But here is the real secret. The value of your coin does not depend only on its age. It depends on its story, on its rarity, on its hidden mint marks, on the errors that were never meant to exist. Because error coins are treasures within treasures. A misprint, a double strike, a small mistake at the mint, and suddenly, your coin becomes priceless. Now, imagine selling this coin. You might think of a local shop, but local shops will never pay you what it is truly worth. They will weigh it. They will look at it as just metal, and they will offer you cents. But the real buyers, the serious collectors, are watching international platforms. They are searching on eBay. They are bidding on heritage auctions. They are negotiating in private forums. And they are waiting for coins like yours. If you want to sell your Thailand 5 Baht coin for millions, you need to tell its story. You need to photograph it with care. Every detail, every shine, every mark. You need to describe its history. Where it came from. Which year it was minted. What makes it unique? Because collectors are not just buying metal. They are buying history. They are buying rarity. They are buying the chance to own something that others cannot. But here comes the twist. Many sellers fail. They put their coins online. They expect millions. But no one buys. Why? Because they never revealed the suspense. They never highlighted the mystery. They never showed why their coin is extraordinary. And without a story, a coin is just a coin. So here is your path. Step 1. Research your coin. Step 2. Find its errors, marks, or rare editions. Step 3. Present it like a treasure. Step 4. Choose the right platform. And Step 5. Wait for the right buyer. The buyer who is ready to spend millions for a single piece of history. And if you think selling is too complicated, if you don't want to deal with auctions, if you are tired of waiting, then remember this. We are here. We buy Thailand 5 Baht coins directly. We value them in millions. We can help you. If you are ready, you can contact us. Because we are not just buyers. We are treasure hunters. And your coin might be the next treasure. Now, think carefully. You are not just holding a coin. You are holding a decision. Will you let it sit in a drawer? Or will you unlock its true power? The power to change your life. The power to turn metal into gold. The power to take a simple Thailand 5 Baht coin and transform it into millions. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine you are standing in front of an auction hall. The lights are bright. The crowd is silent. Collectors from around the world are sitting with their bidding cards. The auctioneer holds up a small box. Inside the box rests a Thailand 5 Baht coin. It looks ordinary, but the atmosphere is electric. Everyone knows this is no ordinary coin. Everyone knows this is history. The bidding begins. One voice calls $10,000. Another voice calls $50,000. The numbers rise higher and higher. 100,000. 200,000. 500,000. The crowd gasps. This is the power of a rare coin. a power you may already have in your hand. Now think about your own 5 Baht coin. It could be sitting in your drawer. It could be lost inside a jar. It could be resting inside an old box in your cupboard. And you might not even realize its true worth. But to the right collector, to the right buyer, this same coin can mean everything. It can be the missing piece in their royal collection. It can be the crown jewel of their display. And for that missing piece, they will pay millions. But here is the challenge. How do you reach those buyers? How do you take your simple coin and show it to the world? You cannot just walk into a small shop. You cannot just hand it to a random dealer. Because most dealers will trick you. They will see your coin. They will know its value. And they will offer you a fraction of the price. But behind closed doors, they will resell it for millions. So the key is knowledge. Knowledge is power. If you know where to sell, you control the game. You set the price. You choose the platform. And you find the buyers who are desperate to own what you have. Collectors live online. They search day and night. They watch auction sites. They scroll private forums. They wait on hidden marketplaces. Every day they are looking for coins like yours. Coins that are rare. Coins that are mysterious. Coins that hold a piece of history. This is why presentation matters. You cannot just take a picture and expect millions. You need to tell the story. You need to build the suspense. You need to describe every mark. You need to show why your coin is not just another coin. Because when collectors see the story, they see the value. And when they see the value, they raise the price. But what if you don't want to go through all this? What if you don't want to wait for auctions? What if you don't want to spend months convincing buyers? That is where we come in. We make it simple. If you own a Thailand 5 Baht coin, and you want to sell it, we are ready. We buy directly. We pay millions. And we handle the rest. All you need to do is contact us. Imagine this. Instead of waiting years, instead of struggling with auctions, instead of fighting with greedy dealers, you can sell today. You can sell directly. You can take your coin, send us a message, and unlock its value instantly. That is the difference. That is the opportunity. And remember, the world of coin collecting is secretive. Not everyone knows the truth. Most people see a coin as just money, but collectors see it as history. And history is priceless. That is why a simple Thailand 5 Baht coin has been sold for millions. That is why owning one can change your life. That is why this is your chance. Hold your coin tightly. Feel its weight. Look at it shine. Think about where it has traveled, whose hands it has touched, what stories it has witnessed. And now, it waits for you to decide. Will you keep it hidden? Or will you let it shine on the world stage? Because once you decide to sell, once you tell its story, once you find the right buyer, your life will never be the same again. The choice is yours. The opportunity is now. The time is ticking. And your coin is waiting. Picture this. You wake up one morning. The sun is shining. You make tea. You open your drawer. And there, hidden under old papers, you find a small coin. A Thailand 5 Baht coin. You smile. You think it is just a normal coin. But in reality, this small coin can change everything. The world of coin collecting is full of secrets. Secrets that only a few people know. And one of those secrets is this. Coins like the Thailand 5 Baht can sell for millions. Not hundreds. Not thousands. But millions. This is not a dream. It is reality. Collectors are obsessed with rarity. They do not want common things. They do not want what everyone has. They want the impossible. They want the coins that others overlook. They want the treasures hidden in plain sight. And that is exactly what your coin is. A treasure waiting to be discovered. Now imagine this journey. Your coin leaves your hand. It travels to an international auction. It is placed on a velvet tray. Lights shine on it. The room becomes silent. Collectors lean forward. Everyone is ready. The auctioneer begins. The numbers rise. 100,000. 200,000. 500,000. 1 million. 2 million. And finally, sold. The crowd claps. and you realize you just became a millionaire. But here is the truth. Not everyone knows how to get there. Many people have coins, but they never sell them properly. They sell to the wrong people. They accept the wrong price, and they lose the fortune that could have been theirs. That is why knowledge is the real power. So let's reveal the path. Step 1 is recognition. Know what you are holding. Know that your coin is not ordinary. It is rare. It is valuable. It is powerful. Step 2 is research. Check the year. Check the mint mark. Check for errors. Step 3 is storytelling. Every coin has a story. Tell it. Share it. Make collectors feel it. Because collectors are not just buying metal. They are buying history. They are buying emotion. They are buying legacy. Step 4 is platform. You need the right stage. Heritage auctions, Sotheby's, Christie's, or trusted online marketplaces like eBay. These are the stages where million-dollar stories unfold. Step 5 is patience. The right buyer will come. And when they do, they will pay more than you can imagine. But here is the shortcut. If you don't want the waiting, if you don't want the stress, if you don't want the risk, then sell directly to us. We are collectors. We are buyers. We value coins in millions. And we are ready. If you own a Thailand 5 Baht coin, this is your chance. Contact us. We will buy. We will pay. And you will walk away with life-changing money. Think about it. How many times in life does opportunity knock? Once. Twice. Maybe never. But today, it is knocking. Your coin is that opportunity. Do not ignore it. Do not let it sit in a drawer. Do not sell it cheap. Because once it is gone forever. Hold your coin in your hand. Feel its weight. It is not just metal. It is destiny. It is the bridge between your present and your future. It is the reason collectors lose sleep at night. And it is the reason you could become a millionaire tomorrow. So the choice is clear. Keep it hidden. Or let it shine. Sell it for cents. Or sell it for millions. Wait for years. Or act today. The power is in your hands. The decision is yours. And the time is now.